Cero by Solarlux. Glazing to room height, discrete profiles, new perspectives. The almost completely frameless Cero sliding window by Solarlux offers a unique sense of open space and the utmost convenience for its users. With ultra slim 34mm profile sightlines, the individual sliding elements can reach up to 6 meters in height and make up a total area of 15 meters squared. All in all, the system is made up of 98% glass and offers a huge 98% daylight transparency. In fact, it is practically precedented to give your living space larger or more accentuated panoramic views. The flush floor tracks provide accessible openings and tear-down boundaries, allowing the indoors and outdoors to blend together with zero tripping hazards. In addition to the unbelievable size of its glass sections, the sliding window also offers the outstanding level of convenience associated with a premium product. The generous sliding elements and combinable system components, such as sliding, fixed, and corner elements, lend architects an impressive degree of creative freedom. Please contact us today to find out how we can assist with your project requirements.